Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Forester. In this video I'll tell you all comfort features of this car. The trim in which I sit is premium. Make sure to check what trim you've got because trims can vary in comfort features. Firstly, start with the driver's doors. Right here we've got electrical side mirrors and electrical side mirrors closing. Next, take a look at the steering wheel. This car is equipped with cruise control, SI drive and voice assistant. Also behind the steering wheel you can find those two paddles, thanks to which you can switch gears manually on CVT transmission. Also, this car is equipped with auto lights and simple but effective knob for lights, thanks to which you can quickly switch the lights to wanted mode. Let me turn on ignition. Right here under the steering wheel we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel you can quickly navigate through top screen display to check trip info, start-stop info, torque info, oil temperature and more. In settings, you can manage time and date settings, adjust display, manage maintenance, car settings and driving history. As you can see, this car is also equipped with Defogger and interior lights timer. Now let's take a look in the center of the car. As you can see right here, we've got seat heating buttons and automatic CVT transmission. Under climate control panel you can find power outlet and tire pressure reset button. This car has dual zone climate control and two USB ports and aux jack for connection. In the end, this car is equipped with electrical seats. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.